Solon Valley Resort, and this is a resort in the place called Palchan in Manali, and a very beautiful place indeed to spend your really exotic and idyllic moments in the lap of nature. I have with us Mr. Vinay, who is yes, he's the front office manager, and he's been at this place quite some while and knows about this resort.
Normally what happens, like during winter time, sometimes the people were complaining that they are feeling a bit cold out here.
Yeah.
So just now, I would say just 10 days back, we have finished a huge project for renovating the rooms, and we have come now with a central heating as well.
Yeah, I mean, this is really good. I am staying in one of the presidential suites of this resort, and the central heating is working like wonders. You don't believe the temperature it's creating in the chill of Manali. It's really exotic. You come out, you just experience the cool, the breeze and the wind, and inside it's all warm.
Yeah, inside
That's
it's all
fantastic.
This is a very priced property, very hospitable staff, and most importantly, the chefs out here are splendid.
You can see the glaciers from here. The river is flowing, the Beas River, and it's purely a holiday, hill station holiday experience one can have with us. And the advantage is like being just 9 kilometers away from here. The moment you want to be in the city and mall road, you want to enjoy.
यहाँ पे बहुत मतलब काफ़ी बर्फ़ पड़ती है। बर्फ़ की वजह से यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट भी बहुत आते हैं, और बर्फ़ में यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज़ भी काफ़ी होती है, स्नो स्कूटर, स्कीइंग, tubing, mountain biking.
This resort is something really out of the box, it's something very different. We have the river, we have these mountains, we have greenery, abundant verdure, and ample of sunlight. What more can a tourist want, And I'm sure our viewers and tourists would gather a lot of knowledge. And when are you planning your tour next? Come to Solon Valley Resort, and this is a resort in the place called Palchan in Manali, and a very beautiful place indeed to spend your really exotic and idyllic moments in the lap of nature. As you can see, we have the beautiful snow-capped mountains in the backdrop, and it has the beauty of even the riverside. You can hear the sounds of the gurgling sounds of the river, and it's really very, very enchanting. Nature at its best. And isn't it beautiful, right? This resort is something really out of the box, It's something very different. We have the river, we have these mountains, we have greenery, abundant verdure, and ample of sunlight. What more can a tourist want, or a honeymooner think of, You have the best of weather and the best of location. I think Solon Valley Resort is really a good choice, the best choice if you are here in Manali.
Solon Valley Resort. We are here for the second time after a span of 2 years. We spent a week in 2011. Now we are again here in 2013. This is a very prized property, very hospitable staff, and most importantly, the chefs out here are splendid. They really prepare mouth-watering delicacies. And we are staying over here in its presidential suite. And the best view of this suite is the rising sun. This the sun bath you can take over here is really astounding.
The resort is about 9 kilometers away from the main Manali city, which gives you an advantage to be away from the meddling crowd, and you are at the lap of nature totally. And it's opening to the beautiful Solang Valley. If you could see the glaciers, just a backdrop, just a backdrop. You can see the glaciers from here. The river is flowing, the Beas River, and it's purely a holiday, hill station holiday experience one can have with us. And the advantage is like being just 9 kilometers away from here. The moment you want to be in the city and Mall Road, you want to enjoy, so it's not that far.
प्रेमवता जी, आप यहाँ पे फैसिलिटी संभालती हैं, यहाँ का देखभाल करती हैं, तो आप हमें ये बताएंगे कि ये रिजॉर्ट आपको और रिजॉर्ट से हटके क्यों लगता है, कैसा लगता है और क्यों लगता है?
मैम यहाँ पे बहुत मतलब काफ़ी बर्फ़ पड़ती है। बर्फ़ की वजह से यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट भी बहुत आते हैं, और बर्फ़ में यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज़ भी काफ़ी होती है, स्नो स्कूटर, स्कीइंग, ट्यूबिंग, माउंटेन बाइकिंग, मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है लोगों को, तभी तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गेस्ट आते हैं। और यहाँ पे सोलांग वैली में कंपटीशन होता है स्कीइंग का, नेशनल लेवल का, मतलब यहाँ पे काफ़ी प्लेयर्स भी आते हैं। मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे बर्फ़ में ना।
जी
सब सभी तरफ मतलब काफ़ी बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़, सफ़ेद, काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है।
So we are in Solang Valley Resort, and this is a holiday destination and really a preferred one at Palchan, Manali. And I have with us Mr. Vinay, who is yes, he's the front office manager, and he's been at this place quite some while and knows about this resort. And Mr. Vinay will take us around and show us this place. Mr. Vinay, let's start with the round.
Yeah, certainly.
So,
Well, this is a wide spread property, 58 acres.
Okay.
We have 3 or 4 different types of blocks.
Okay.
Like according to the views, we have named them as like as a river block, valley block, and the glacier block.
okay, the
So-
river block.
River block is across the road.
Yeah.
We got like 12 rooms over there.
Okay.
Then we have valley block just over behind. We got 8 rooms here, and our main block is glacier one, where we are having 44 rooms. So overall, we are having 64 rooms property.
Okay.
We got a very nice conference hall as well, where there's a capacity of 200 x theatre style, and we got a massive lawn as well. And,
Wow, this is like beautiful. This is amazing. Just can you see the snow-capped? I mean, this is just the look, which people think about in paintings or something, and it's right there at the entrance. How did you manage this location, Mr. Vinay?
Well, I would say, ma'am, ours is the most preferred or most most sought after destination in Manali.
Yeah.
Whosoever is in Manali basically we are 9 kilometers ahead of Manali, and Manali is nowadays it's all concrete jungle.
Yeah.
So whosoever come like you have come all the way from Delhi.
Yeah.
So people come here, just to find themselves close to nature.
That's true.
And this is the location we are having. No property in Manali can match us.
That's true.
Right. And Manali, I would say Manali is a destination where the people like you, they will find valley, they will find glaciers, they will find river.
Riverside,
So,
yeah.
So everything is there. And same way, we are having river view, we got valley view, and
Yeah.
we got the glacier view as well.
Okay.
And just now, we are coming to another outlet. This
Yeah.
is our firewood oven visible we have come up with.
Really, this
Yeah.
is this a new addition? Looks like.
Yeah, this is a new addition.
What is this
However,
firewood oven?
Firewood oven for making pizzas, for making
Oh
grilled
my
chickens.
God! So we
grilled
have
chickens and
out
all
here,
that.
you can actually experience the Italian food in Manali. My God, what does this? I mean, how do you prepare these?
Well, ma'am, actually we are not open yet for the taste. This
Okay.
is just on a trial basis. But
Sure.
yes, maybe in next 10-15 days we'll be opening it for the guests as well.
I'm sure it'll be a grand success. Okay, so this is the glacier block.
This is the main glacier block we are having, ma'am.
Right.
In fact,
So-
we have just now, come up with like Normally what happens, like during winter time, sometimes the people were complaining that they are feeling a bit cold out here.
Yeah.
So just now, I mean, say just 10 days back, we have finished a huge project for renovating the rooms, and we have come now with a central heating as well.
Yeah, I mean, this
So-
is really good. I am staying in one of the presidential suites of this resort, and the central heating is working like wonders. You don't believe the temperature it's creating
And that's-
in the chill of Manali. It's like it's really exotic. You come out, just experience the cool, the breeze and the wind, and inside it's all warm.
Inside
That's
it's all
fantastic.
cozy, warm, and we're trying our level best to to give best of the services to the guests.
Yeah.
And we want whosoever has come here, those people recommending our place to the others, and it's the main memory which we want our guests to take back with them.
Sure. So brilliant. I mean, this is like beautiful. Okay, so maybe we could just take a look at the presidential block and how it looks from here. It gives a feeling of the English architecture actually, the British cottages and
Actually, I would say the owners of this building,
Yeah.
they are basically builders. They got
Okay.
some other projects as well.
And they are from which group, sir?
They are from Manchanda and Manchanda Builders.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
that's a major group.
They have a few of their major projects in Delhi, Rewari,
I know.
and all those places as well.
Sure.
And Mr. Manchanda, he was he's a very very fond of nature and all that.
Okay, I
So
can
like,
get it.
like all those rocks and all that. This is his creativity.
Okay.
He wants all these things to be like,
My God, these have actually been implanted.
yeah. He wants all these things to be like this only. He
And
don't
what
want-
happens? What happens when it just gets covered by snow?
It looks so beautiful, like if someone is, something like a snowman is
Wow.
sitting over there.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Really, indeed. So even these creepers and all, can you just see? These creepers which you put in the balcony, these are so aesthetically, planned. I mean, it really gives the feeling of as if a creeper, that feeling. It gives me the feeling of the Jack and the Beanstalk story. Literally, I mean, I seem to be in fairyland. Really enchanting. Can we have a look at the Riverside block as well? Yeah. I've heard lots about it. Right, so we're going to the Riverside block. And this is like ingenuity of the construction. What a genius thought that how I don't have a block like you call it the Riverside block and right next to the river.
Yeah.
Now, I believe you have some camping ideas.
Yeah, we do.
My
we
God.
have very nice areas, very,
I mean, kids, they would always think, that's something like, that we could go out for camping. You actually have a camping spot. Wow, that's great.
that is just to
Amazing.
give the feel of the place actually. That how the camping with the wilderness, with the river is near.
Violinist? Did I hear the violinist? You actually have a live violinist out here?
Not exactly, but yeah, you can have a feel of that.
Of
That's
that,
what-
okay, my God. This is like,
Then we
I mean,
got
the
a
person
very-
who's designed it all has really thought over it. And just see the feel of the stairs, It's not that the pakka, that feeling of the, it's been designed so well. It gives the feeling of the countryside. And see the way the grass has been all strewn over. Each and every detail, if you just observe, it's so immaculately done. And the way these pebbles, it reminds me of the Shakespeare house in Stratford-upon-Avon. I've been to Shakespeare's residence.
Oh.
It actually looks like a bit like this,
Wonderful.
I mean, it's so kind of inspiring. No wonder he wrote, the entire Shakespeare collection from that house. That's what creativity is about.
So,
Right.
this is the glacier, river block we are having.
Okay. And how many rooms do you have here?
We've got 12 rooms here.
12 rooms. So do you have presidential suites also as well?
No, man. Here we got just Maharaja suites and the
Okay.
normal deluxe rooms.
So you could tell us a bit about the categories of the rooms also which you have while we're walking to the Riverside block.
Well, we got five different categories of room. Like here we got deluxe river. Then we have
Okay.
deluxe valley. Then we have deluxe glacier. Then we got superior deluxe. Like this.
So I believe the glacier block has the presidential suites. Great. Oh my God, this is like something there in the distance. Small temple.
Yeah.
It adds to the entire experience. Great. So I see a tent out there. That's a very cute tent.
That's good. Maybe if a guest want to have experience in the camping,
Yeah.
they can have it here.
Beautiful. Wow. To see the sound of the river. Maybe we could go just a little bit down further, just up to that level. So probably we could experience the river sounds a little more clearly.
And here's the place we have. We'll be doing a setup for candlelight.
Oh my
with the
god,
guests-
this is
with the
like
guests
so
staying with us.
special.
We're having their marriage anniversary today, and just for that, we will be decorating all the. And this is the river just passing by. The sound is so amazing.
It's so rejuvenating, so refreshing. We hear all those albums in the Times music, the music of the rivers and all. And what's better? The sound. I should record it, and just maybe we could have a flute recited by Hariprasad Chaurasia ji. That would go global by you.
We have one musician as well who plays a very nice flute as well.
Can we just have a shot of this, please? With it closer. And I believe one of the saints, Vashisht ji, he did penance here. He was he did a lot of stuff out here, and
That is
yeah.
guru for all the Ramchandra and
Yeah. He was the full guru of. Okay, I get it. Beautiful. Oh my God, do you see this tree? You must be decorating it on Christmas, isn't it? This actually looks like a Christmas tree. Amazing. What should I note and what should I not note, Mr. Vinay? This place is full of surprises. Excellent. So I believe we could just stay here and come back because we've had a shot. Or should we go down and take the camping?
Do you?
Yeah.
If you're comfortable with it.
Yeah, we could have a look. Why not? Let's go. Be careful. I need to be more careful. You are a native of this place, I believe, So, great. So inspiring.
There is
Really
another-
wonderful.
There is another venue for another couple who are also having their anniversary
Today itself?
Today itself.
Oh my god.
And,
Seems to be a very powerful coincidence, right?
Then this is the place for bonfire, and we have put a tent also for the guests on the camping. People who are not able to go
Yeah.
can enjoy this stuff here. And this is the river which is passing by.
This camp is also so colorful, this tent, Does it actually have a place to sit inside? Can you just show inside? So, kids would like do something really exciting for all age groups, not just kids. Well, would any of you have ever imagined that Manali could be even exciting to that extent? We all heard it was picturesque, it was beautiful. Oh my god, now this is like you can sit here and it's like absolutely. And I believe you serve snacks out here, right?
Yes, sir.
So they have the hospitality to this extent that they would serve you snacks right at the riverside inside a camping tent. And I don't know, I can't guess how exciting it would be. Well, it's really
And
wonderful.
there is another thing we are coming up with.
Yeah.
Another, this Manchanda ji, the owner of this property, is having some new ideas. I believe you have heard of rainbow trouts or like in Manali, trouts.
Trouts?
Fish and
Yeah, troutfish, of course.
So we are coming up. This is already said and all that we built. So we'll be coming up, with a live trouts. You'll find,
Fishing camp.
you'll be saying, I want this trout. Test that live. in
Live
front
for
of-
you. My
in front of
goodness.
you, then we'll be serving it out there in the
So
city.
they have trouts in this.
Not now, but we have almost
Okay.
90% of their fish completed.
So they would. My goodness. Now this is for the fish lovers. Oh my god, that's like okay. So great. And I think somebody would even sit down for meditation because this place is really. This is a temple in that corner. It's a small temple, orange. So that's place for poets, place for people to meditate, for everything, right? So thank you, Mr. Vinay. It was indeed a wonderful trip and excursion to Solong Valley Resort, and I'm sure our viewers and tourists would gather a lot of knowledge. And when are you planning your tour next?